JJ.A.C Tech Channel. Mercusys MR30G AC1200 Dual-Band Gigabit Wi-Fi Router, Unboxing and Demonstration. Enjoy home entertainment without any lag, reaching speeds up to 1.2 gigabit per second. And high-gain antennas with beam-forming boost stable connections throughout your home for strong Wi-Fi signals in every corner. Full gigabit ports, make full use of your internet access and transfer data at dizzying speeds for peak performance. MR30G is compatible with Easy Mesh, enabling you to set up a whole home mesh network with one Wi-Fi name and password with any other APs that support Easy Mesh from multiple vendors. Enjoy flexible, scalable, and seamless mesh Wi-Fi throughout your home. Package contents: installation guide, LAN cable, 9-volt DC power adapter, Mercusys MR30G unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.